iHealthBrokers, we are always trying to help give you the information you need to find the right insurance plan for you and answer any questions you have about the confusing topic of, you guessed it, health insurance. So today we're going to talk about all things short-term insurance, and we're going to answer 3 questions along the way, which include number 1, what is short-term insurance? Number 2, what are the benefits of short-term insurance? And then finally, number 3, what are some things to consider when it comes to short-term insurance plans? But before we dive in, I do want to remind you that our brokers are always available to answer more specific questions you may have and help you find the right insurance plan that covers your needs and fits into your budget. So if you're ready to talk to one of our brokers today, you can call the number at the bottom of the screen at any time, as they're always ready and happy to help you. All right, let's jump in to the first question, which was, what is short-term insurance? Short-term insurance refers to insurance plans with a limited duration, which right now it varies from state to state. But before we continue, I do want to let you know that there is a federal rule going into effect on September 1st, 2024, that will limit all short-term insurance plans to 3 months with a total term limit, including renewals, to a total of no more than 4 months. And so if you are looking to enroll into a plan, give our brokers a call today so they can help you get the best plan that fits your needs before this goes into effect. All right, now back to what short-term insurance is. Short-term insurance can help you bridge the gap in between coverage and will typically cover all preventative care, doctor visits, emergency or urgent care visits. Short-term insurance plans are great for individuals who are looking for coverage in between longer plans. And so, for example, if you've lost your job, if you're in between changes of a job, you retired from your job and you're waiting for your Medicare to kick in, you've moved out of state and you're trying to figure out what your options are, or you've aged off of your parents' plan at the age of 26, you may have also missed the open enrollment period, which actually is coming up in November and typically ranges from November 1st to January 15th, but it can vary slightly dependent on your state. So if any of these options are the situation you're in, call our brokers. Again, they're happy to help you find the plan for you. Second question is, what are the benefits of short-term insurance? If you are experiencing a gap in coverage, again, this is a great way for you in case you do need emergency care. The monthly premiums can be much lower than Obamacare plans, and you don't have to wait until open enrollment to enroll in one of these plans. Coverage becomes active quickly, and you can cancel at any time without penalties. So these are some great benefits. So if those stood out, let us know how we can help. And the final question we're going to answer is, what are some things to consider when it comes to short-term insurance plans? You can only be on these plans for the 3 months starting in September 1st. And so many of these states right now allow you to keep these plans for up to 3 years. So if you do apply for these plans before September 1st, you would be able to keep the plan for that duration. So that may be a great option for you. Another thing to consider is they do not comply with the Affordable Care Act. So they may not cover the 10 essentials, like free preventative care. You may have to pay out of pocket, maternity or newborn care, and they do not cover pre-existing conditions. They also may have higher deductibles, co-pays, and out-of-pocket expenses than other medical plans. But the great part about these is they are highly customizable plans, and so our brokers would be happy to go over all of the options with you. Another thing to consider is certain states do not allow them, so you may not even have the option in your state. And if your plan ends outside of open enrollment, you still could have a coverage gap. And so if you have more questions about short-term medical plans or any insurance questions at all, we would love to connect you with one of our brokers today. I mentioned it at the beginning, but the easiest way for you to get in touch is to call the number at the bottom of the screen, which is 866-572-8844. Or as always, you can leave us a comment below and we will be sure to help you any way that we can. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can see more videos like this to help you understand the ins and outs of insurance. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.